know they know me. They don't know shit about me.
What's up, YouTubers? I got done with once more here today. As you can see, or you can see over here, you know what time it is, baby. We are about to do a social experiment with this sprite here. Oh, I'm not with Coke or Pepsi, but later on I will join two of them together. After cooking it, we're gonna see, or we're gonna check the sugar content on it, and we will know what you guys have been drinking. Especially my guy that I'm with here, I'm gonna put his link down below. If you're watching this, try check it out. Or if you're trying to work out, that's why some of you have been asking me, how are you working out? I'm gonna put his link down below. You're gonna check it out. He's killing it right there, man. Let's begin. I'm here with my Golu OA. He's the man that I'm talking about. He's killing it. I'm gonna put his channel down below. You're gonna check it out if you're trying to start working out. He's killing it. So let's just get on with this. I actually see this Sprite, which is 1.75 liters. I don't know if you have anything to like add to it.
We all know that all these drinks, soda drinks, they contain lots of sugar and they are very unhealthy if you want to live a healthy lifestyle. So now we want to prove to the people how unhealthy this is. It's just basically full of water and sugar. There is no nutrients in this, nothing. You can't compare this to vegetables and other nutritious foods. So, or you can't compare this to lemon drink. So this is not healthy at all.
I just wanted to like maybe compare with coca-cola, but I was not able to get coca-cola. So we will just like put it here, and wait for like 30 minutes or so, and it will then we'll see the sugar content. Although we don't have any pressure to measure it altogether, let's just move on with this shit.
You can see it's just full of gas.
Oh,
gas that we don't need. I don't want to lose the phone. See how much gas. Let's go.
Shit. Here we go, guys. This is how it looks like. We're gonna be able to find out when it dries and prove to you guys that you guys are killing it out there. Maybe we're gonna wait for like 10, 20, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Who cares?
I don't think it will be up to that. Because the sugar is so much to the extent that it's going to evaporate fast. Yeah, I think. It was smelling nice before, but after some time now the bad smell has begun to come out. Because the companies always put some nice flavorings, colorings, and good aromas. But now the bad aroma is beginning to come out. Because this is what occurs when it is in your digestive system. The heating process that goes on in your digestive system, this is the smell it's going to produce.
So guys, let's take this once more and see how it's going. Although we are having a lot of, I'm not the one that is cooking that, but altogether all of them are the same. As you can see, it's truly drying out. So maybe in the next 1 hour we will get the better result, and hopefully we will find out how it produces. So guys, after waiting like 2 hours or 3 hours, you can see what the result was, or what the result is all about. This is what I've been putting in your body.
How much sugar in Sprite? I wonder how much is in Coke and Pepsi.
But I'm gonna still try that out.
Because this is lemon Sprite. People think it's healthy, but lemon Sprite contains this. Then Coke is gonna be worse. Shit.
So guys, if you really like anything, you feel like about this fucking video, you know what to do. I'm not gonna tell you, but I have some, like what I said before earlier, that I have one special person that I'm gonna search and I'm gonna send this video to, because he tried it to all this soda stuff. So here we come to the end of the video. My guy here, which is Golu OA, I'm gonna put his description down below. Go and check him out. He's killing it. Try and do your best. Subscribe.
They know they know me, they don't know shit about me. For what they feeling, I'll be who I wanna be. Came from the north side, dreaming of all that I could be. I'm for the long ride, bitches more clearer to see. So many girls in my